Good morning, children. This video is for class 2, subject reasoning. This is our chapter number 20 and the name of the chapter is geometric shapes. This is our lecture number 4. Today's topic is logical reasoning. So here beta today we will learn series completion and logical reasoning. So let's start. So here in these type of questions we identify the operations of the series by observing the changes taking place in successive figures. The changes can be related to increase or decrease in the number of elements or rotation of elements. ओके बेटा, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पे क्या होता है जब हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं ऑपरेशंस को, जो सीरीज हमें गिवन होती है उसे ऑब्जर्व करके, ठीक है. These changes taking place in successive figures. Successive figures means जो आगे वाली figures होती हैं उनको observe करके हम changes को find out करते हैं. और वो changes कैसे हो सकते हैं, वो increase और decrease हो सकता है किसी भी element का. Element means जो भी figure छोटी छोटी figures उसमें बनी होती हैं उनमें increase यानी कि वो बढ़ भी सकती हैं, वो कम भी हो सकती है और वो rotate भी हो सकती हैं. Okay, so let's see how we can do these type of questions. Now beta, it is given complete the following series by encircling the correct option. So here I am going to tell you one example of it. So here in this example, these figures are given. You can see this is the first figure, then second figure, then third figure, and we have to find out the fourth figure. So first of all, we need to observe these figures. Okay, and after that, we have four options A, B, C, and D, and we have to find out which is the correct option. Okay, so here you can see this first figure has three parts: one part, second part, and third part. Okay, so here you can see one square is given, then two triangles are given, and three circles are given. Again in this figure also, one square, two triangles, and three circles. Again in this also. But beta, here you can see that in this first figure this square is here at the right hand side. Okay, then circles are given and then triangles are given, but here this square comes down, means it moves from this to this. Okay, and like this triangles. Okay, so clockwise, in clockwise direction they are moving. Okay, like this. And in next figure you can see this square jo hai, that is at the upper side part. Okay, and these triangles, these come down, and these circles comes at the right hand side. So here these three elements are moving, means they are rotating in clockwise direction. जैसे clock चलती है बेटा, इस direction में हमारे ये तीनों जो हैं elements ये move कर रहे हैं. Okay, so now these circles will come down. Okay, and this square will come at this side and these triangles goes up. Okay, so which is the correct option for it? That is the option number C, because in option number C this is the correct rotation here. So here we will circle this option number C, and here we will write the answer that option number C is correct. Understood beta, how we can find out the next series in the given series? Okay, now homework questions. Complete the following series by encircling the correct option. So here in question number 1, these series is given to you and these are the options. Okay, and you have to find out the correct option. Okay, now in question number 2 also it is given and you have to find out the correct option from it. Okay, now 3, these series are given and you have to find out the correct option by observing these. Okay, number 4, these series are given and you have to find out. Okay, here you can see one in standing position and means a horizontal position, and one is vertical in position. So you have to find out the correct option from it. Okay, from A, B, C or D. Now question number 5, again these series are given, and here you can see there is, these all are similar है ना, एक जैसी लग रही हैं, but there is a difference between these color, okay, colors. So you have to see the color, which color will come in next series, okay, and you have to find out the correct option. Now the homework solution of chapter number 20 and lecture number 3, geometric shapes, okay, lecture number 3. Now beta, complete the figure with the given options and encircle the correct answer. So here in question number 1, this figure is given larger figure and we have to complete this figure, okay. So here we have 4 options, A, B, C and D. Now we have to find out the correct option and fill this missing part, okay. So for that, first of all, we will observe this larger figure. In this larger figure, this corner is missing. So what we will do, we will observe corners first of all. So you can see that this corner is same as this corner, means the opposite corners are same, okay. And here you can see, so it means this corner should be same as this corner. So here 0 is at the upper side and cross is at the lower side with the same color, okay. So here we will see it is in option number C. So if we will put this option number C here, this larger figure will complete. So here we will circle this option number C, and answer of this question is option number C is correct, okay. 1 0 is there, then cross, then 0, then cross, then 0, then cross, then 0, then cross. Now the 0 and then cross. When we will put this figure along this figure, then this larger figure will complete, okay. Now question number 2, here this larger figure is given and these are the options. So here you can observe first of all that what is given to us in this larger figure, there are 3 triangles, then 3 circles and then 3 squares, okay. So here in first triangle you can see it has 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Then second triangle, there are 2 parts of this triangle, and then the full complete means complete triangle, okay. And again in circles also this pattern is follow, 3 parts, then 2 parts and then complete circle. So here again you can see these 3 parts are there of the square, then 2 parts of square, then we have to put a complete square here. So first of all we will find out that in which option complete square is given, and it is in option number D. So we will circle this option number D, and here we will write the answer that option number D is correct, okay. Now in question number 3, this larger figure is given and we have to find out the missing part. So here we have 4 options. Now first of all we will observe this larger figure. Here you can see at the corners we have given this small line at the corner of this square, okay. In each side there is a small line, and this is also given one line and one small circle. So here we need to find out this, that what is in this figure, it should be in D part, okay, because in C and D both parts there are the same figure, but here this line is greater than this line, okay, and here we have smaller line. So we will correct this option number D. We will circle this option number D because option number D is correct. So here we will write the answer that option number D is correct. Now question number 4, here this figure is given and this larger figure has 3 parts. Here in first part you can see one semicircle is there in smaller size, then again circle is given, semicircle, okay, larger than it, then again larger than it, and here you can see this is a triangle, small triangle, then greater than that, and this is greater than this triangle. So here zigzag is given, okay. So small one zigzag, then greater than this. Now we have to see that the greater than this zigzag, which zigzag is given? That is in B, option number B. So option number B is correct. So here we will write the answer that option number B is correct. Now in question number 5, this figure is given and we have to find out the missing part of this, and these are the options. So here you can see we have to find out the same corner because these three corners are same. So here this fourth one corner is should be same. So here this is in option number A. So we will circle this option number A, and here we will write the answer that option number A is correct. Understood, beta? Thank you.